Before I spoke a single word, you called my name. Before I breathed, you knew my frame. You saw my sin, yet loved me still. You chose the cross, you chose God's will. Your mercy found me where I fell. You broke my chains, my soul you held. Now I am free, now I am whole. Your grace has healed my weary soul. Endless grace, boundless love, flowing down from heaven above. Washed by mercy, saved by blood. Jesus, you're my hope, my God. When shadows rise and fear takes hold, your light shines brighter than gold. Through every tear, through every pain, your faithful heart will never change. You walk beside me night and day. You guide my steps along the way. Even when I fall astray, your arms are open, you still say, endless grace, boundless love, flowing down from heaven above. Washed by mercy, saved by blood. Jesus, you're my hope, my God. You turn my ashes into praise. You lifted me from broken days. You spoke my name, the storm grew still. My heart beats now to your will. No sin too deep, no heart too far. Your love restores who we are. By your wounds we've been made new. Grace upon grace keeps shining through. In every season you remain true. When I'll sing your name for all my days. Jesus, you're worthy